Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to reconnect your Shark IQ robot to a new Wi-Fi network without losing your room settings. First, make sure your new Wi-Fi network is 2.4 GHz, as the Shark IQ only supports this frequency. Keep your smartphone connected to the same network. Open the Shark Clean app on your phone. Go to Settings, Wi-Fi settings for your robot. Instead of adding a new robot, select Change Wi-Fi Network. This preserves your mapped rooms and cleaning schedules. Next, put your Shark IQ robot into Wi-Fi setup mode. Usually, you press and hold the dock plus clean buttons until the LED starts blinking, indicating it's ready to connect. Follow the on-screen instructions in the app to select your new Wi-Fi network and enter the password. The app will reconnect your robot to the new network while retaining your saved maps and room names. Once the connection is successful, the LED will turn solid, and you can test your cleaning schedule to ensure everything is intact. By following these steps, you can switch your Shark IQ robot to a new Wi-Fi network without losing room settings or schedules. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching.